ओ, आसमां के रंग देख ही रहा हूँ मैं, कभी नीला है कभी लाल है कभी पीला है, कभी नारंगी कभी सतरंगी कभी बैंगनी.
Be it music or comedy, our today's guest has left no stone unturned to win our hearts. He was in 4th grade when his mother enrolled him for Hindustani classical music training. When in college, every night of the week he would play the guitar and sing at a local restaurant. Music has always been his thing, and today his fans are entranced over his new super hit Heer Ranjha. Known for his YouTube comedy channel BBK Vines, he is none other than the YouTube sensation Bhuvan Bam. So Bhuvan, how have the last 100 days been for you? The entire pandemic situation and we are all locked down in our houses. How have the last 100 days been for you?
Lockdown has been the same, just like everyone else. We're stuck in our houses, and I'm glad that I'm getting time to spend with my mom dad. तो वो सही है, थोड़ा वो अच्छा है. यूजुअली देखने को मिलता नहीं एक दूसरे का चेहरा, क्योंकि मुंबई ट्रैवलिंग, इधर ट्रैवलिंग, उधर ट्रैवलिंग. बट नाउ दे आर हैप्पी. और फादर थोड़े परेशान हो गए शायद मेरे से.
Definitely. So I believe we are all on the same page.
Yes, everyone is sailing in the same boat.
I must say the song is so beautiful and soulful. The animations and the gradual build-up of the story was really captivating. How did you come up with this idea, which indeed was great for launching a music video amid this lockdown?
I think we had plans to shoot it just like every other music video. क्योंकि दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन लिफ्ट हो चुका है. As in दिल्ली में people are on the streets, they are roaming around. And shooting might not have been a problem, but हम खुद इतने डरे हुए हैं that we didn't want to risk everyone else's life. So we decided कि let's do something जो कि घर से ही हो जाए, and which no one has tried during this lockdown. So we decided कि let's talk to some animators, illustrators, and just pull this music video off by just giving them a rough idea of the song. So we sent them a song. We told them कि इसका ये theme है, and you tell us how should we proceed. So they came up with a scratch, they came up with a draft, and they were like, let's do this. And we were sold. We were like, okay, let's do this. This no one has seen, like in the past 100 days, ये किसी ने देखा नहीं है. And क्योंकि social media इतना toxic हो चुका है, तो let's put out something जो at least gives smile on at least some faces. So I think that's how the music video came along, and the entire product, the song, the music video, it's a lockdown product. Everything has been done via conference calls, and yeah, I'm glad we did this.
So creative, and it's such a well executed video. It shows that even in the lockdown, like, the hustler doesn't stop.
Yeah, I mean, not that anyone else is not working. सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, सब लोग अच्छा कंटेंट प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. But it's such a good vibe that we could pull this off. क्योंकि अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता, I look at the brighter side of this. अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता, so we would have definitely gone for a music video जहाँ मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ. तो ये देखने को ना मिलता. This is a new side which we tried to explore, and we were successful in this. So in future, we would try this again. So I think that's like a good start.
Wow, that's wonderful. We are looking ahead to another animated music video of yours, Bhuvan. And indeed, Heer Ranjha is also a trending #1 on YouTube now, and it has definitely set the entire internet on fire. Like, everybody is watching your video and people are enjoying it so much. So what does it take? Like, whatever you do, you always manage to make your fans wonder that how do you do it? Be it your short film, be it your music, be it your wine, everything you do so wonderfully. So how do you manage to always keep up with that benchmark that you have set for yourself and woo your audience every time? How do you make that happen? Just
I think the best way to put it is that I haven't set benchmarks for myself ever. वो ऑडियंस के दिमाग में कि चल वो अच्छा था, अगला वाला अच्छा होना चाहिए, और मेरे दिमाग में नहीं है. मेरे दिमाग में ये है कि कहीं भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कुड गो हेयर और इट कुड गो देयर. कभी अच्छा भी हो सकता है, कभी बुरा भी हो सकता है. So it's better to not keep expectations. Same with every content piece of mine. I don't keep expectations from it. You never know. People might like it, people might not. There have been times where people have blatantly discarded one product which I thought was a very good video. But then कभी कुछ होता है कि मुझे लगता है कि यार ये कितना अजीब सा वीडियो है और वो लोगों को पसंद आ गया. So you can't every time be sure कि what might strike with the audience. So I think, yeah, I mean, whatever I'm doing, like every product which I make, like every content piece that I make, it's like कि अभी यही है, इसी पे काम करना है अभी, इसी का रिस्पॉन्स देखते हैं अभी. Let's not think of what I'm gonna do next month or next week. So it's better to live in the present.
And
In your latest Instagram video, you came forward a message for your fans about Heer Ranjha and how it's dedicated to independent artists.
जी.
What do you think about the indie scene in this music industry?
I think people have themselves decided to now listen to indie songs. I don't know about the coming generation if they'll be lucky enough to listen to Lucky Ali, if they'll be lucky enough to listen to Mohit Chauhan or Hariharan Saab. I think independent scene तो अभी जितना जल्दी हम लोग सुन ले उतना सही है, क्योंकि फिर धीरे धीरे जाके we know where we are headed. So I guess वो एक साइकिल आता है हमेशा. एक 90s पॉप का दौर आया था where every song was like हाय पहाड़ों पे ले चलो, and that changed to hardcore Bollywood music, Leja Leja,
Yeah.
Leja. Then we entered the phase where remixes are there. So I think वो वापस एक और circle वापस आएगा when we'll go back to the old songs and we'll be like ऐसा sound produce करते हैं. So I think, yeah, independent artist India में इतने बड़े artists हैं यार, independent artist. We have Local Train, we have Prateek, we have Jasleen, we have so many northeast के इतने सारे bands हैं. We don't listen to them, but their music is exceptional. So I think audience has to look for better things on YouTube. They need to search. उनका search थोड़ा wide होना चाहिए.
music is one thing that's always evolving. It's always something.
Always evolving. Yeah.
Something coming up. So people recognize you as a YouTube sensation who won hearts with your hilarious vines and comedy videos. But amid this powerful comedian personality, how do you keep your musician personality alive?
Music is something which I do when I'm done with comedy. Music is something, क्योंकि joke ऐसा नहीं है ना, joke I can't sit and decide कि today I'll write this joke. It comes naturally and it comes at the worst times. Joke मेरे को ऐसी बार आया, मैं पता है ऐसी मेरे को कई बार ऐसी जगह पे jokes आए हैं जहाँ नहीं आने चाहिए jokes. I was in a Shamshan Ghat. I went to a Shamshan Ghat for a relatives ceremony और वहाँ पे इतना बढ़िया joke आया मेरे को. And I couldn't stop grinning. I couldn't stop smirking. So मैं पलटा और मैंने उसको ना phone पे I recorded it. I recorded a voice note कि इसको इस तरह बोलूँगा तो funny लगेगा. And the friends around me, they were like, तू पागल तो नहीं क्या कर रहा है? मैंने कहा यार एक बहुत अच्छा joke है. They like ऐसे टाइम पे कहाँ joke आ सकता है तेरे को? So joke ऐसा है कि joke कहीं भी आ सकता है. But when I'm done with a joke, when I'm done with comedy, कि अभी मेरे को ना humor, अभी मुझे हंसना नहीं, अभी मुझे reality में जीना है. Like comedy, I think comedy is like, it's non-reality. It's like a dream. It's a parallel universe. क्योंकि अभी तो हंसने लायक कुछ बचा नहीं इस दुनिया में. अभी सिर्फ एक दूसरे को गालियां दो, एक दूसरे को गाली गलौज करो, बस यही करो. आजकल तो यही है. तो उससे बचने के लिए I do music. उस कॉमेडी से बाहर निकलने के लिए it's my escape route. तो I think जनता के साथ भी यही है. Same with the people. They have accepted every form of music now and they are like कि अब कुछ अच्छा सुनाओ यार, अब कुछ positive कुछ बातें करो.
So you have a very versatile personality and you are known for that. So how do you manage like creating the balance between comedy and music? Like, is there a secret or like a guidebook you have which you would like to share with everyone?
नहीं, there is no secret to this. There's no the balance comes from within. कई बार होता है, कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मेरे 2 गानों के बीच में 1 साल का गैप है, so there is literally no balance. Off the balance ही चलता हूँ मैं. So it all depends on the mood. कि अगर मूड अच्छा है तो I'll work on a song. नहीं अच्छा तो I won't make it. Why do you need to make anything जो कि एक बार इंटरनेट पे चला गया and it's gonna stay there forever. So I don't want anything average to go on the internet. So it's like the balance comes from within. कि you know, as a creator, you know, as an artist, you know कि हाँ, this should go online, this should not go online, and you should right now focus on this, you should right now focus on that. So I think it's all about that balance comes from within.
Internet has today offered a huge space that it has made so many unknown faces known, and people are coming just showcasing their talent, accepting love from the audience and everything that. So but here a lot of music content, like we talked about independent artists and how you dedicated your video to them. So how has the entire internet thing and YouTube being an egalitarian platform, how has this entire thing influenced the music business according to you?
I
What
think
do you
everyone has realized the power of YouTube now. Like 5 years bhi nahi, ab to it's a long time. Like 7-8 years ago, if I had to make someone listen to my song, I had to stand in a long queue, I had to give an audition, and मुझे वो 3 लोग जो वहाँ बैठे हुए, मुझे वो लोग बताते कि मैं कितना बेकार हूँ या कितना अच्छा हूँ. और मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि जो जजेस हम टीवी पे देखते हैं वो, क्योंकि उनसे पहले भी 4 लेवल्स के जजेस होते हैं, जिनको क्रॉस करके यू गो टू द मेन जजेस. सो वो 4 लेवल पहले वाले जजेस ही चने खाते हुए कुछ और बात कर रहे हैं, फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं और ऑडिशन चल रहे हैं. आई बीन टू सच ऑडिशंस वेयर आई हैव स्टूड इन अ लॉन्ग क्यू. मैं सुबह 6 बजे से खड़ा हूँ, मेरा नंबर आया है दोपहर के 2:30 पे, 2:30 बजे मेरा नंबर आया है. एंड आई गो इनसाइड, आई एम स्वेटिंग, आई एम ड्रिपिंग, एंड लाइक डूड, एंड माय हैंड्स आर शिवरिंग बिकॉज दैट 30 seconds from now someone will decide my future. ऐसा होता है ना दिमाग में उस टाइम पे, you know कि now इनके हाथ में मेरी लाइफ की डोर है. And then you go there and they're talking on phone. They're like एक सेकंड बीच में, चलते गाने के बीच में, वहां तो आधा मोरल डेड हो जाता है. उस दिन से I promised myself that I won't ever audition for these things. It's a scam. Not all the reality shows which we see are done in a right manner. कहीं ना कहीं होता ही है, उठपटांग हरकत होता ही है, और मैं शायद उस टाइम पे उठपटांग हरकत वाले सिनेरियो में ही था. वो मेरा बैड लक था, तो उसके बाद से नहीं गया. Then YouTube happened. Then people started saying कि YouTube का क्या फ्यूचर है, YouTube का कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है, इस पे तो बेकार लोग हैं, डिजिटल आर्टिस्ट are not artists. And now we see biggest production houses on YouTube. Biggest production houses collaborating with other YouTubers to promote their movies. This is a revolution. This is such a positive change. And I think YouTube and social media in general is now an integral part of our lives. And this is going to get bigger and bigger with time.
Amid this lockdown and pandemic situation, artists like you keep up positive spirits alive. What
Ji.
keeps you fresh and alive in these times?
Sleep. I love sleeping, to be honest. And I am the guy who doesn't get enough sleep. Not because of my schedule. कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं आजकल. But I don't sleep. I sleep at 7 a.m., 8 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
And I wake up at random odd times. So it's like sleep is like a treasure for me, like people like me, जिनको नींद आती नहीं रात को. I try sleeping so hard. मैं सोता हूँ, कोशिश करता हूँ नींद आ जाए, but it's not there. So I'm like कि अब तो sleep is something which I'll cherish throughout my life, and that's the only thing.
I hope we did not trouble your sleep today, Bhuvan, for this interview like I think we did yesterday and we could not connect.
Yesterday तो was like मैं कितने दिनों बाद कल घर से बाहर निकला, बहुत दिनों बाद, और मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. लाइक वी शॉट till 1:30 at night and we were like कि I don't know how we gonna do this. Like after a long time you shoot and you shoot for so long, तो आपको लगता है कि आज तो नींद आनी चाहिए, और नींद आई नहीं. मैं सुबह सोया 7 बजे. So it's mad. The cycle has completely changed.
Right. In your music videos, receive a lot of love and acceptance on internet, on social media, everywhere. Video is just circulating. Everybody is sending so much love. So I want to know, what are your plans with experimenting with music ahead? As you just said, you would love to launch more animated videos now. So how are you planning to go ahead with music now?
See, music, सही बात है. हाँ, म्यूजिक तो जो मैं सुनना पसंद करता हूँ ना, आई थिंक वही बनाने में ही मजा आता है. Like I've grown up listening to Euphoria. I've grown up listening to Strings. I've grown up listening to Lucky Ali, Hariharan. I've grown up listening to so many indie bands, Indian Ocean. I've grown up listening to Parikrama, Agni. तो ये सारे bands अगर आप आज भी सुनोगे, so they sound better with age. Like they sound better with like the years pass by. And जो यूफोरिया का मायरी है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यूफोरिया का मायरी जितना हिट उतना था तब था, अगर वो आज आता ना तो आज भी उससे ट्रिपल हिट होता वो गाना. उस गाने का एसेंस वो है. तो आई थिंक ऐसा म्यूजिक बनाने में मुझे मजा आता है जिसका एक नॉस्टैल्जिक वाइब है. क्योंकि आजकल अपन सिर्फ बेस लाइन क्या है वो सुनते हैं. हम लोग बेस लाइन के पीछे पागल हैं. हम लोगों को उस गाने में मजा नहीं आता जिसमें ड्रॉप ना हो. एक ड्रॉप आना चाहिए. इस गाने में ड्रॉप नहीं है. काफी बार सुनने को मिलता है, भाई इस गाने में ड्रॉप क्यों नहीं. मैंने क्योंकि ड्रॉप वाला है ही नहीं. तो अपना वाइब वो नहीं. वो म्यूजिक वैसा मुझे पसंद है बनाना जो मैं सुनता हूँ. वो मेलो म्यूजिक, सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक की गाना सुनो तो आपको लगे कि हाँ एकदम अचानक मैजिकली हाथ में कॉफी का मग आ गया और अचानक बाहर बारिश शुरू हो गई. तो इट्स लाइक दैट. तो मुझे वैसा म्यूजिक सुनना पसंद है और बनाना पसंद है.
Wonderful.
That's the best kind of music which you can enjoy and relax with.
Yeah.
So amid the lockdown and the pandemics, how has it been influencing your content creation?
Yeah, it has. Like I used to think that क्योंकि मैं घर पे वीडियोस बनाता हूँ और लिखता भी घर पे ही हूँ, तो आई थॉट कि चल लॉकडाउन हो जाएगा तो सबसे ज्यादा जिसको इससे फायदा होगा वो मैं, क्योंकि मैं तो घर पे बनाता हूँ ना. मेरे को क्या 21 दिन बाद आई रियलाइज्ड कि मैंने एक वीडियो नहीं डाला, एक रैंडम एपिसोड भी नहीं डाला है. क्यों नहीं डाला? क्योंकि मैं घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकला हूँ. सो इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर क्रिएटिव माइंड टू गो आउटसाइड एंड सोशलाइज. नॉट इवन सोशलाइज, टू गो आउटसाइड एंड ब्रीथ फ्रेश एयर, टू गो ऑन अ ड्राइव. तभी तो जाके आइडियाज आते हैं. वरना वो ब्लॉक जो दिमाग में रहता है, इट स्टेज देयर फॉर लॉन्ग. लाइक in these 100 days, I have done only 5 videos, including the music video, I guess. Only 5 videos. And people often complain to me about that. कि तूने 100 दिन में सिर्फ 5 गाने की, सिर्फ 5 वीडियोस की हैं. क्यों ऐसा? मैंने बोला अरे दिमाग ही नहीं चल रहा ना. What if I create something, I post it on the internet and it's not as expected, it's not as funny. तो लोग तो गाली देंगे ना फिर. और 18 मिलियन लोगों की गाली खाना कैसा फील होता है वो मैं जानता हूँ. मेरे साथ हो चुका है पहले. तो it's always a thing, and I always believe in this कि if something goes on the internet, it's gonna stay there forever. So it's better, and I tell this to every creator, जो भी aspiring creators हैं, जो भी budding artist हैं, उनको कहता हूँ कि यार वही काम करो जो आपको बहुत genuinely लग रहा है कि अच्छा है, और फिर उसको डालो, क्योंकि वो हमेशा रहने वाला है. And I don't wanna take my subscribers for granted कि नहीं अगर महीने में 2 वीडियो डालना है तो डालना ही है, तो मैं यही डाल देता हूँ. किसी को क्या ही पता चलेगा. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. People know your content better than you. They know, because they know what they want to watch. And I think it will be really unfair on the part of people if you provide them anything average. So it's better कि lockdown में जितना, क्योंकि सब पागल हो चुके हैं लॉकडाउन में, दैट्स अ फैक्ट, एवरीवन हैज गॉन क्रेजी इन दिस लॉकडाउन, so it's better to take your time and create content, that's it.
It's absolutely essential to, just be a part of a civilization, interact with anybody for that matter, but because otherwise your brain just won't work, no
Yeah.
matter how much creativity there is.
Exactly.
There is a lot of competition in your space, like in YouTube, Instagram, social media, and all. So, how do you manage to stay ahead of your competition every time? Like, how do you manage?
तो पता क्या है, I am not here to go ahead of someone. अगर मेरे आसपास कंपटीशन है ना, so I'm so happy to be in the middle of the herd, because that's how you take everyone along with you. That's how everyone progresses together. Staying ahead means you are not looking back. You're just looking ahead. मेरे को क्या आसपास भी देखना है कि किसके साथ में बात करके, किसके साथ हम काम करके आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. So it's always about that, to take people along with you. क्योंकि जब सब साथ में सक्सीड करते हैं ना, उसका मजा is different. That's a different vibe when everyone together go ahead. And that I think that मैं पहले नहीं सोचता था मैं ऐसे. I never used to think like this पहले. I'm like नहीं मुझे करना है. But now with time, with age, you realize कि there's so much fun in going ahead together rather than just blindly going ahead without thinking of anyone else. Yeah.
That's wonderful. That's a wonderful line of thought, I guess. And as an audience also, we get to view such beautiful content from creators like you. So even we cherish the entire idea that you just spoke about. Okay, so before I hand it over to Raghav, I would just like to ask that you have achieved so much. You have won a Filmfare, you have won various titles. So what is ahead for Bhuvan Bam as an artist? What is ahead for you? How do you see yourself ahead?
There are so many things ahead which I really don't wanna, frankly, sorry, I don't wanna share what's ahead of me, because I know that sharing with someone will set an expectation in your own mind कि हाँ चल 2021 में ये होने वाला है, और जब वो नहीं होता ना, then you're hurt, and it has happened with me 100 times. There are 1,000 things that we expect कि okay, this will come, and it doesn't happen. Then you're hurt. So I've stopped keeping expectations from life, and I live in present. मुझे यही नहीं पता मेरा अगले हफ्ते क्या सीन है, मुझे पता ही नहीं. मुझे ये पता है कि मुझे कल क्या करना है, ब्रीफली मुझे कल क्या करना है मुझे इतना पता है, and that's how I work. But फ्यूचर में क्या है, फ्यूचर में काफी प्लान्स हैं और काफी chaotic प्लान्स हैं कि अच्छा चल ये देखते हैं करके. पॉसिबिलिटीज बहुत सारी हैं, but I think I'd like to be in the present and work accordingly.
Yeah, hi Bhuvan, how are you?
I'm good, bhai. कैसे हो आप?
Very well. I've been a huge fan of yours since my college days, actually.
Thank you.
I've watched almost all your videos. I love all your characters. So I think you've always been motivated with whatever you've done till now. And I would like to know the secret behind that. How do you keep yourself always so much motivated? Because I guess you've also been through that age, that young age, when you were also a college student, and now you are the hottest YouTuber of India. So what keeps you motivated? That one person that you look forward to, or that some one quote that you would like to tell us that you always remind?
यार पता क्या है, I've stopped admiring people. क्योंकि जब when you start admiring people और उनके बारे में कुछ ऐसे सुन लेते हो ना, तो आपका दिल टूट जाता है. आपको लगता है अरे यार मैं इस आदमी को इतना एडमायर करता था और उसने ऐसा काम किया. So I think I've stopped admiring people, and what keeps me going, I think the right set of friends who are around me, who are not yes men, जो हर चीज में ये नहीं बोलते वाह क्या काम किया. ऐसे लोगों से तो अपने को दूर भागना चाहिए सबको. जो हमारी हर चीज में तारीफ करे ना, उनसे दूर भागो हमेशा. तो ये तो मैं सीख लिया.
You should always be friends with people who criticize you.
Yeah, always. Like मैं 10 चीजें 10 लोगों को बताता हूँ, फिर मैं वही चीज जाके अपने दोस्तों को बताता हूँ, कहते चल हट. तो वो तब आपको पता लगता है कि चलो हाँ ठीक है, कोई तो है जिसने ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन दिया. So it's always like this कि having the right peer group matters a lot, and I think that essentially that keeps you going, because you know कि okay, अभी मुझे क्रिटिसिज्म मिला है, नाउ देयर इज अ स्कोप टू इम्प्रूव. अगर आप सिर्फ तारीफें सुनते जाओगे तो आप अपने आप को खुदा समझने लगोगे, और वो गलत है. वो आज के टाइम में तो बड़ा लीथल है भाई, कि नहीं मैं तो इनविंसिबल हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है. It's always better to hear out criticism. And दोस्तों से बड़ा criticism कोई नहीं दे सकता. क्योंकि पता है ना कि मम्मी के पास जाओगे, मम्मी कैसा लग रहा हूँ, राजा बेटा लग रहा है. क्योंकि माँ को अपना सब लड़का राजा बेटा ही लगता है. लेकिन ऐसा ही लुक लेके दोस्तों के पास जाओगे, कैसा लग रहा है, वो सही जवाब वहीं मिल जाएगा.
No, but you being the top celebrity of India right now in terms of YouTubers, do you think that हर कोई जो आपको दूसरा बंदा मिलता होगा वो बोलता होगा मैं आपका दोस्त हूँ? How do you filter out that people कि who is your actual friend in that kind of sense? Because जो आपका कॉलेज में दोस्त थे, क्या आप उनके साथ अभी भी कांटेक्ट में हैं and do they motivate you every time?
नहीं, मैं किसी के साथ कांटेक्ट में नहीं हूँ. क्योंकि जो मेरे दोस्त हैं अभी, हम लोग 5-6 दोस्त हैं हम लोग, and we are together since 19-20 years now. हम लोग सेम बेंच पे बैठते थे स्कूल में. और उसमें से हम 4 मनुष्य एक ही कॉलेज में भी आ गए.
Okay, which one?
शहीद भगत सिंह.
भगत सिंह, yeah.
तो मैंने कहा इससे बड़ी मनुष्यत क्या होगी कि सब एक साथ ही मर गए. फिर सबका अपना फील्ड ऑफ वर्क चेंज हो गया. वी मीट वंस इन अ मंथ.
Okay.
असली दोस्त वो होते हैं कि अगर 1 महीने बाद भी वो आपसे मिले तो आपसे ये ना बोले और बड़े लोग.
हाँ, correct. Absolutely.
मैं जब अपने एक दोस्त से मिला था अभी रिसेंटली, अभी परसों हम लोग मिले 1 महीने बाद, तो हमने एक दूसरे के घरों में पोछे मारे, झाड़ू मारी, एक दूसरे के घर की पानी की बोतलें भरी, क्योंकि सबकी माओ का यही, पानी की बोतलें नहीं भरते तुम साले. तो आई थिंक ये दोस्त, क्योंकि बाहर जा नहीं सकते, और हमारे जितने भी दोस्त हैं वो कोई बाहर जाते नहीं. हम लोग सिगरेट शराब कोई इधर उधर के ऐब है नहीं. क्या करते हैं, घर में बैठे हैं, गाने चल रहे हैं थोड़े थोड़े रेडियो पे, कारवां पे गाने चल रहे हैं, और बस वी आर रेमिनिसिंग द एंटायर चाइल्डहुड. हालांकि वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट 1,000 times, but still that beauty of talking about it again and again, it's the best part.
It's the amazing feeling.
Yeah, we have 2 more questions. One is Namha and then Nafisa. That's it, 2 more questions.
Yeah, thank you. I'll just give it away to Namha now. Thank you so much, Bhuvan. Great to know you. Thank you.
Nice.
Hi, Bhuvan.
Hi, Nama.
Hi. So I also went to the same college, Shahid Bhagat Singh.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah, and every time someone used to ask me कि कौन से कॉलेज में पढ़े हो, तो I used to say भुवन बम वाले कॉलेज में, and tell कि we went to the same college.
Oh.
So my question to you is that nowadays many brands are looking forward to connect, to collaborate with YouTube content creators. So what are the kind of brands that you look forward to?
I look forward to the brands जो कि मैं यूज करना चाहूंगा. I'll not preferably endorse any brand जिसका मेरी लाइफ से कोई लेना देना नहीं. For example, I'll endorse a shampoo brand. I'll endorse an eyewear brand. Hence Lenskart. I'm doing Lenskart क्योंकि मेरे को चश्मे के बिना दिखता ही नहीं बिल्कुल. I'll endorse a backpack वाला brand. Hence I'm endorsing Arctic Fox. मुझे गाने सुनना पसंद है, मुझे गाने प्रोड्यूस करना पसंद है. Hence I'm endorsing Mivi, which is a homegrown Indian. It's an Indian brand जो कि speakers and headphones करते हैं प्रोड्यूस. So I think वो बहुत important है कि आप जो यूज कर रहे हो ना, आप उसी के बारे में बात करो, उसी को endorse करो. हालांकि you can endorse anything else as well, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. But I think I would rather, क्योंकि उससे फिर personal connect भी आता है. You could not just the brand ने जो points दिए वही बोलने हैं. जब आपको कुछ पसंद आता है ना, genuinely, जब आपके एक्चुअल का यूज का होता है, then you put in 2% extra to go out and tell people कि हाँ you should use this because it comes from within.
On a lighter note, I would like to ask that your recent video, Heer Ranjha, so all of us could make out that the guy in the video is you, even in the animated form.
Yeah.
So I want to ask who's the girl?
I'll have to think about it. So it's I've spoken about this पहले भी कि it is out there that I'm dating, but it's like कि ये चीज उसके माँ बाप ने देख ली तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी. तो इसलिए मैं एकदम इस मामले में एकदम सीक्रेट चुप रहता
Yeah, so I have like fangirl moment मेरा हो रहा है क्योंकि मेरा like ये first interview है and it's with you. It's like a very big thing for me. I just want to like, can you sing 2 lines of your song? Any song, be it Hi Ganja, be it Sang Main Tere, like any song.
Okay, I'll आसमां के रंग देख ही रहा हूँ मैं, कभी नीला है कभी लाल है कभी पीला है कभी नारंगी कभी सतरंगी कभी बैंगनी, बातों बातों में कर बैठे मुलाकातें, तू ही तो है जिसे ढूंढती है मेरी आंखें, देखो कभी दाएं कभी बाएं कभी पीछे कभी मेरे आगे, तेरी मेरी तेरी एक कहानी है, बातें कुछ अनकही कुछ बतानी है, शाम सवेरे तुझे ढूंढा मैंने जाने किस किस गली, तेरी मेरी तेरी बातें पुरानी है.
Bhuvan, thank you so much for this lovely interview and a lovely song.
Thanks Prathna, thanks Suhani, thanks Rohil, thanks Nafisa, thanks Nama Chawla.